The issue of having different songs on the same chord progression is not just found in Sungura music only. It's something that is found across all genres around the world. The only difference is that in Sungura music, they don't have other variations of chord progressions as much as the other genres. I'm sure you're all familiar with the 6-4-1-5 progression that is used on a lot of dancehall songs. As Africans, we are very good at creating melodies because there are thousands of songs that use the same chord progression, but they sound different all because of the melody. Artists like Oliver Mtukudzi, Thomas Mapfumo, and so forth, they've got groups of songs that are in the same chord progression and group of songs that are in another chord progression. So right now I'm just going to do 3 songs by Oliver Mtukudzi that have got the same chord progression, but you won't notice it because of the melodies.
The harmony of quality and professionalism.